We made Dirty Dr. Peppers every day for a whole year last year, and this just so happens to be the video that you do not want to miss, because I'm going to give you our top 3 throughout the entire year. And if you haven't already seen these drinks on our page before, then you're in for a treat. And for all my real ones that are going to stick through to the end of this video, I got a little treat for you at the end too, okay? Now coming in at number 3 is the Fluffy Banana Berry Dirty Dr. Pepper. This one went viral strictly because what are you doing with Marshmallow Fluff, bro? That was a whole trend section for a while where people were just completely filling their cups with Marshmallow Fluff. I had to try it out. I had to see what the fluff was all about. But you know me, come on. I had to put my own spin on it and add my own ingredients and add my own regimen to these drinks, because the original layout of a fluffy, dirty soda was just fluff and soda. Now, I know we can all do better than that. So you know me, I fluffed it up a little bit and I put in half-ounce banana, half-ounce strawberry sauce. A lot of you guys ask me where we get that sauce from, and I like to use the Vinci sauce and Kapoor sauce. They won't let you down. The texture is amazing, and so is this drink, but it just so happened to make it to number 3. Now let's move on to number 2. The aura on this drink around Halloween time was untouched, okay? The Green Goblin Dirty Dr. Pepper was talked about in our mall for a while, just because not too many other coffee shops were dabbling into the dirty soda realm around this time last year. And in that season, we just so happened to be ahead of the game. But in this one, she is going to introduce around an ounce of the white chocolate and an ounce of the creme de mint. Why is it called creme de mint? Please do not ask me. Please do not ask me any questions about the names of some of these flavors, because I just don't know. But I do know the combination of cream mint and white chocolate is insane. We probably made close to like 2,000 of these things just in the Halloween season, and that's freaking crazy. Now the one you've been waiting for in the number 1 spot is the Blue Hawaiian Dirty Dr. Pepper. Last summer, Dr. Pepper rode out guns blazing with the creamy coconut Dr. Pepper, and it blew everyone's mind, including mine. I chose to tackle the flavor combination of this one with the original taste factors that it already represented and just enhance those just a little bit more. And the color psychology on this drink when you're promoting or marketing and in front of a customer is like top tier, okay? The gradient of the blue, gray to white makes this drink approachable on every age level. Not to mention they also rolled out a 0 sugar creamy coconut. This one was so popular that we introduced it in our first dirty soda recipe ebook. If you haven't already got that one, if you haven't already got the second one, what are you waiting on? The link is in our bio. I'm not going to do any more promoting on that. But if you made it this far in the video, I want to give you something special, and I want to give you the chance to get every single recipe that we've ever created 50% off, because we put the time and the effort in, and you guys have put the time and the effort in of watching our videos and telling us thank you and giving us our flowers. Use code SUMMER5050 before you purchase the bundle of all of our recipes, and our bookstore is at the top of our homepage.